Schiade burto e la schiade la bulurto cari la nincalar pobu.
When I was in the school, school time, in the fourth, fifth standard, when I was that time I'm singing. I remember, yeah. Then in the village, there's too many functions, archery functions, and villagers function. Too many small function there. They invite me to sing. I have interest from the childhood.
Ias corpo yalaste nas corso zena ngani semski la nintilivada. Ngoxel demto helang ngoxel al delemto.
My Abale was also a artist of radio station that time. So he's singing the folk tradition also. And I'm going with him to the village function also. And they're singing the traditional song. Some that time there was no any guidance about the singing and the people are singing. I'm just copying that, Yes. Like the very great legend Abale Tashira appears like then Padma Shri Murub Namgyal, and we are listening the radio that time, In radio, Padma Shri Murub Namgyal voice, I'm very big fan of the Padma Shri Murub Namgyal ji. Though when I was young, that time, I'm also like to listening the modern music and the Hindi music. During that period is the Hindi period, Yeah, all the people are listening Hindi song. All the people are singing Hindi. Even me too, I'm also listening Hindi and singing Hindi like this,
Arsero yang arseru dalla de tang la lama.
Young singers, youth singers, they like to sing the rap type song. We like to listen rap type song and the modern, very, the romantic song like this. But these are okay for the entertainment.
Gon palani tulung chung pari.
Fortunately, I got this opportunity to join them still. I'm still I'm doing program with them. This my luckily, yeah, I got a great opportunity. I feel their parents are my friend. But I'm working with their the children, so it's good to me. I encourage them very much. Your way to singing is the very professional, and the voice is good, and all these things they can read the script, traditional script, Ladakhi Buddhist script.
Golon pala selergi la chalarki de la mala gens pari golon pala selergi la chalarki de la mala gens parir golon pa.
Tradition is most important to for our identity, for the language, for the culture, and all these things. You must listen. I say to the young,
Poru Julu song zelna Nirgon pavo jang spesang cha.
So it's very important to make music, Ladakhi music, especially even the modern music, even the rap, rock, everything. They're they're in the language, in the local language. All the music they're making in the local language. Even some youths are singing rap tag, And the local traditional song and the modern music, it's very good. Even who's singing very, very useless part. Yeah, very, very light lyrics and all this. But the language is in Ladakhi, local. So it's important, yeah. So it's very great contribution to preserve our language.
송젤나 니 삼춘 보샴 스웨상자 요론초스키 촐로모 베다말라파.
If you will sing the traditional song, a marriage song, or the ghazal, or the bhakti song, or the too many kinds of the song, the nomad folk. So these have to preserve our culture, language, and identity, all these things. Yeah.
Mama Yurstan Puru Zulu song zelena Ni yoncha postes pesangcha Gyurmestan Puru Zulu song zelena Ni yoncha postes pesangcha